Mastic Foundation is about basically two things. One is inspiring people for what we call informed giving. The second part is responsible receiving. The people would like to do something, but the problem they have is they don't know what area they should work in, how they can work and make it happen. So we would like to inform them so that they know what is available. Now what they can do two things. A, they can give money through payroll giving.
Dr. Ashish Sattav is working in Melghat in one of the most poorest locations in the country. He needed an ambulance for his activities to be done. The Mastic Cares came together, raised over 7.5 lakhs and provided him with an ambulance.
Thousands of poor blind patients will be given vision due to this ambulance from Mastic Foundation.
The organization Prerna looks after the welfare development of mostly the children who are born in red light areas to the victim women. Mastic could actually understand the importance of supporting these children, and the major contribution came when a number of our children who are about to complete their primary secondary education in the schools could actually take up higher level education.
Jalna, this is a drought prone area. And there was a request that we raise funds and help that district, and very quickly a lot of employees came together and we raised funds to work with the non-profit that was working in that area.
The second thing that we now have is volunteering.
You can see the people traveling 1, 2, 3 kilometers for the drinking water especially.
We are expected to dug a trench which is to connect the dam to the villagers' home.
Due to rain harvesting, when there is water properly into this dam, the same water would be going into their homes.
There are many Mastic Cares with the Chota Mastic Cares with the family. We came here. Some seeds they have given us, and they have given us some instruction to dig the ground and to sow the seeds.
Like around 2 hours, we laid around 1,000 saplings in the entire area.
We would also like to help those NGOs who are working in this sector to manage themselves better, govern themselves better.
We started this work almost 2 years back, supporting the non-profit sector with IT, which is our core skill. We started with Snehalaya. We are working with Radhi, which is working in the disaster management. So various non-profits have taken the benefit.
Mastic has always supported Kherwadi Social Welfare Association. Our centers were spread out across the country. We needed a centralized MIS application for our operations. So Mr. Sundar, Mr. Madnani and Anil kindly did a workshop with our senior management. We were looking at that time at developing software. What Mastic suggested was that there are often available products which could be used with little bit of customization. And that time I had said that look, we have no idea of how are we going to implement it. So very kindly they came up with this model where we had Anil from the Mastic Foundation who would help us with the implementation.
The strategy that we had decided was initially to provide them with guidance and help them to run the show on their own at the later stage.
He invested that time in building the capacity of our team.
And today we have a fully developed application which is being used by 63 locations.
This activity that we have done finally is going to impact more than 4 lakh students across the country.
Mastic Foundation does project management for us on our Magic Bus MIS digitization project. The conversation that Sundar had right in the beginning, that Mastic Foundation wasn't going to give Magic Bus the money for this project, but it would give Magic Bus something which was equivalent in money and possibly even much more. Because if we had to go out and hire a project manager, we may not have got somebody of this caliber. Here you're getting world-class expertise with world-class exposure.
We are able to then showcase and show proof to the world and to whoever is giving money that yeah, it's being used.
And the indirect impact it will have on the lives of hundreds and thousands of children and young people in the country is remarkable.
For organization, Mastech has developed a beautiful software. Earlier, it was taking long time to get the result of that blind patient. Now, at least within 7 days, we will come to know that this patient is having a good vision or bad vision.
We do these blood donation drives on a regular basis, and a lot of Mastechiers come and participate. Every year, we participate in the Mumbai Marathon, and the funds that are generated are given out to a non-profit organization. We provide the non-profit sector a marketplace. During Rakhi season, for example, we had one of these NGOs who came down and they were selling Rakhis, and we find that a lot of funds is raised through such initiatives. Similarly, whenever there has been kind of disaster that has struck in our country, whether it is drought in Maharashtra, whether it is Uttarakhand disaster which happened, Mastechiers have always rallied with funds and support to the community.
ये लोग आके काम करते ही हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा है. इससे पहले हम करते थे, आज कोई अलग सा हो रहा है और वो भी बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है.
This trip has made us realize the importance of water in our lives.
It has given me a immense satisfaction, stating that okay, I have done something for my Mother Earth.
Many of the corporates that I have worked with have always been interested in finding out how branding can happen for their organization. Mastech has never even asked for their name to be presented anywhere.
Interestingly, for a mentoring organization like us, Mastech Foundation on this project has been our mentor.
They have taught us like a kid.
We would not have been able to do any of this without Mastech support.
Thanks to Mastech, we were able to reach out to 4 Anganwadis having 75 children throughout the year, 6 days a week. We have been offering them rich nutritional supplement. Mastech has given them a chance to a better life through this nutritional support.
Great job, wonderful job, keep it up. We will always be thankful, grateful to you for your kind work and for your kind support.